Tip 7 on creating your own marketing videos is about props and subject matter. This is where tip 1 is absolutely invaluable to working out how you're going to show something and how you're going to use a prop. If you're going to be demonstrating something or making something, probably best to set your camera up on that item. So perhaps only your hands are in shot, but you can still hear your voice over what you're making. It might be a small prop, something you can refer to, show, display, point to. Don't wave it about, don't make it a distraction, say what you've got to say, put it down. If it's a little bit bigger, easy to hide behind. Just step back a tad. You can get both yourself and your item in shot. Again, don't wave it around, make it a distraction. However, if it's that big, don't even try and get yourself on camera. It's probably not worth it.